Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to do a little tutorial on this inspired Andy Warhol slash Beyonce countdown video portrait print that I made. Really easy to do. And let's just jump right on in. So we got to create a new template and I want a square shape. So I'm going to make it 500 by 500 pixels. Okay, so now that the template is open, I'm going to go into elements here and I'm going to click on photo, which is this one here that I found. I like it because it just looks very fashionable with the funky glasses, but I want to remove this background, like that shadow here as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to edit and I'm going to click on background BG remover. Once it removes the background, you have to, in order for this to work, you have to hit apply. This is what I've noticed, because when I don't hit apply, I get some error messages when I'm trying to do the effects here. So now I want to obviously enhance this image. So I want to use this paint effects right here. Obviously this is in my recently used section, but it's literally, if you scroll down to paint effects, and it's the window one that I chose. So once you click on that, it's just going to, there you go, fix it up here. And as you can see, that whole background, which was clear, was transparent, is now brown. I need to remove that because I don't want that. But before I do that, you have to hit the apply button down here. So once you hit apply, then you need to go back up. So it's just applying it here. And then hit background remover. And so once you hit that, did it work? There we go. It should remove the brown area. So sometimes you're going to get this message, it's unable. If that happens, try again. And it's doing it again, but hopefully this time it's going to remove it. I'm not too sure why it's doing that, but see, now it's removed. But don't give up. That doesn't mean it's not going to work. Just keep pressing the background remover and just keep trying. But once it does it, now you get the white background, hit apply. Okay, so now it's done. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to size this picture up. I want a little bit just smaller here, just to move it out of the way. Okay, so now I'm going to go and choose a square because I need 3 squares across 3 times down, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just bring it right to the end, and then I'm going to hit copy and paste. So that's Control C and then Control V, and then put that one right beside it, and then again Control paste, put that one right next to it. So obviously there's a gap here. So all you need to do is just select all 3 of them and then enlarge it until it gets right to the end. And then they're all sized the same, which is good. So once you do that, again, copy, paste, bring down to the next, into the middle. And same thing, paste, bring it down right down to the end. Okay, and so that picture, I'm just going to move this one to the back here because I need that picture. Position it to the back. Right, there we go. Okay, so just leave that there. We'll still leave that there for now. So now I need to make the colors here, and they're all going to be different colors, the blocks. So let's start from the top left, and I'm going to change this to, let's do like purple. Then we'll do like a yellow here. Let's try this yellow. Or how about this one? Yeah, that's a nice one. Then we'll do a blue. And let's do a pink. Yeah, that's good. Need a green. Oh, that's a good one. And an orange. Now let's do, I like this color, but I want a turquoise color. So let's see what this one looks like right here. Yeah, that's not bad. That's not bad. And then a red, or not red. Yeah, I guess that one's good. And I don't know the name of this color. It's like a mixture of a purple and blue from what I see here, but I know the code. So I'm going to type in the code. So it's 527. I think it's 1FF. Yeah, there we go. Like, what color is this? If y'all know, please put in the comment section, because for me, I see like a blue, but a blue purple. If that makes any sense. Anyways, okay, so I'm happy with these colors. Perfect. They're vibrant. They're block colored blocking or color blocking colors, which I really like. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to just put this in the middle for a second, because, and actually this is what I'm going to do too. So all of these squares are in front of this image here, so we need to put them behind. So we're going to position, doesn't want to work. Let's do this. Let's see what happens if we go position. No, maybe you have to do one at a time. Position. Okay. Not too, I guess it maybe it's just a yellow one. Yeah, it's just a yellow one. Okay, let's see what happens now. Position to the back. There we go. Okay. So I'm just gonna align this photo to make it more of a square. It's just easier for me when I'm centering it. What I'll do is just try and go as close as I can to her shoulders. There we go. Yeah, a little bit more. Okay. So now I'm gonna just enlarge the image. Okay, and then I'm gonna center it. So that should be centered somewhat. Yeah, it's not. It's a little bit. Oh, if I bring this one in. Sorry, I'm really anal like this. I like to have my things, like when I'm looking at it, it's like perfect pretty much. Okay, so I think that's good. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to copy and I'm going to paste. And I'm going to put the image to the next square. And then same thing, paste to the other square. So now they're all centered. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold down the command key and then click each individual, so not command, the shift key, and hit each individual image. So now you can see that they're all selected. And then I'm just going to hit Control C and then Control V to paste and then bring it down. And bring it down and then center it. And then paste again, bring it down and center it. Okay, and that's pretty much it, y'all. So this is a really cool, I find, project that I can do with my kids at home, or they can even do it at school as an art project. And you can use all sorts of images. So it doesn't have to be a person. It could be like a fruit, a vegetable, a car, any type of object. And it's just a lot of fun to create and just, make your own different colors according to what suits you best. Thanks for watching. Y'all take care and have yourself a great day. Bye for now.